Welcome back, I'm Bri-Anne Alexis, and today I'm going to be bringing you some date night looks. I'm excited because the pandemic hopefully is coming to a close, especially wherever you are. I'm hoping that you're able to go on dates. I've put together some classic looks that I feel look good pretty much everywhere. I mean, if you go hiking on dates, these aren't the looks. But if you're going out to dinner, maybe a nice show, shopping, then these looks are definitely for you. I want to give the biggest shout out to Anna Louise in New York for gifting the jewelry that you'll see in this video. They're beautiful pieces, and I just feel like jewelry is essential if you want to elevate your outfit, if you want it to look pulled together. It's always my go-to. Anna Louise came about to create fine jewelry that's sustainably made without the retail markups. And it can be so difficult to find jewelry brands that are both affordable and eco-friendly, because usually if a brand markets themselves as green or sustainable, the price tag is usually astronomical. But not in this case. There's actually a sale going on right now for 20% off, so make sure you check out the website. My jewelry style falls more on the dainty, classic side, so I love layering necklaces or bracelets and wearing a few rings here and there. But if you're looking for something that's more bold and edgy, they have that too. It's whatever style you like, and all of their jewelry is 14 karat gold, so you don't have to worry about it turning on you or anything like that. I picked out this Kuori necklace because I felt like the heart was so dainty and easy to layer, and it just sits perfectly on my collarbone. Next up, I got the Esme Slim, which is a slim yellow gold herringbone necklace. It's nice and flat, and I feel like it just adds that bold touch that I'm looking for. Well, bold in my opinion, because as I said, I go for more of a classic look. Finally, I think the most unique piece is the Aura bracelet, and it's supposed to be like a wristwatch, but without the watch part, so cute, right? There were so many other pieces I liked, such as the diamond necklace or the D pendant, which I think is such a cute play on words because it's a safety pin, so it's reliable. Dependent, D pendant. I don't know. Maybe I thought too much into that. Excited to bring this to you. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you let me know what your favorite outfit is, because I've been wearing these out and I don't know. I'm not really sure which one I love best. They're all so fun, so comfortable, and very flattering. First up, I have this white blouse with a navy tulip cut skirt. I got this skirt ages ago from Forever 21, but I'm sure any dark pencil skirt would give you the same look. It's a tight skirt, but it's not short, so I feel like it balances itself out. I love it. It's so flattering and so comfortable, but again, any kind of dark pencil skirt will give you this look. This blouse is new. It is from Zara. I adore it. It has these beautiful button detailing in the back. If you can see that. It has beautiful button detailing in the back, and I feel like that just adds to the shirt. Just elevates it a little more from a basic white cami blouse. I paired my beautiful heart necklace from Anna Louise. I think it is so dainty and beautiful. I usually love to layer it depending on the look I'm going for, but because this is more of a clean look, I feel like I want the focus to be on the shirt and the skirt as opposed to the necklace, which is just like a little pop, you know? On my wrist, I have a beautiful watch strap bracelet. I think it's so gorgeous because it's almost like an illusion, in my opinion. If I were to take a picture and my hand were just like this, someone would think I have a watch on, but I don't. It just goes all the way around, and I think it's really good if you're looking for like a watch look and you don't have a watch. With this outfit, I would pair it with some nice black stilettos, or some small mules, like a Bottega Veneta kind of look. I think that would be perfect with this. This dress has to be one of my favorite dresses. I got it from Dynamite, and from the time I saw it, I was like, oh, it's supposed to be that Jacquemus dress. I need it right now. and I wore it out and the reaction was great. Great. I don't have my tape right now, but normally I have it taped in about here because, yeah, you want to just be safe. You don't want anything to happen, right? Especially if you're out having a good time, you're talking to people, you're moving, you don't want anything slipping out. But I mean, the cut, divine. The dress, divine. I wore it with these beautiful strappy heels, and honestly, it was just everything I had hoped for. I felt like I was on a runway. I couldn't walk after a while, but for the time I could walk, runway. It's got a beautiful tie in the front, which is good if you bloat because it gives you some extra room. See, look. About this much extra room. And then you have your tie right there. But again, gorgeous. Absolutely one of my favorite dresses. So classic, so sexy because of the neckline and the, I don't know what makes it so sexy. The neckline, right? It's not very stretchy, so I would say you have to just be mindful of that with your size, and the buttons can definitely be a pain if you have long nails or acrylics. You might need help because it buttons all the way up and then ties right here. No zippers or anything, but I love it. Adore, adore. I layered this with 2 other necklaces. Right now I just have on these 2, but I will insert a picture of how I layered it. We've got a herringbone necklace and my heart necklace. I feel like a lot of these dresses are my favorite dresses. I don't know, this dress just does something to me. Oh my God. The color, this blue, a royal blue or cerulean or whatever you want to call it, is divine. They also had it in black. So I picked blue because I felt like the slip dress, the cut was very classic and it would never go out of style. So the color was just a no-brainer, a no-brainer. Between this and black, this, come on. I haven't worn it yet. Did I say I got this from Dynamite? I got it from Dynamite. What? No. And on my feet, I would do like a black stiletto or like a simple stiletto, right? I could do the lace up, but I feel like a lace up with a dress that's already like satin, short, backless is a lot. So I would try to keep it, you know, a little light on the feet just so that the dress can be the center of attention. This dress, I couldn't leave it. I saw this dress on the hanger and I was like, you're coming with me. That's it. In my bag, home. And I was looking at the receipt, I was like, should I take it back? What? Absolutely not. This dress, no. I love it too much. So we've got our first crop top situation, and this top is a beautiful satin top from Dynamite as well. It's a nice champagne color. Hopefully it picks up on camera, which is why I picked it up. I felt initially like this is something that I could have worn in the day and in the night, but because of the color and the cut, like the bell sleeve kind of, you know, I like it in the night. This is from Dynamite, Zara jeans, and I just think it goes so well. I wore black stilettos with this outfit. They broke, unfortunately, which is why let's just avoid shoes for this video, but this is the look. I feel like it's giving me, what's that word called? I feel like it's giving me 90s music video. All I need is some belly chains. So we've got this all black moment going on right here. This beautiful balconette satin backless top. This top is from Dynamite as well. As you can tell, I went crazy in Dynamite, but I love it. It feels so sexy because it's just, you know, a little bit of fabric in the front. That's all it is. You've got beautiful string straps, and I paired it with black jeans. I feel like you can figure out what kind of shoes to wear for this. I would do some black stilettos. Can you see the trend here? Black stilettos with almost everything. But yeah, if you want to add a bit of color, I would say go ahead and do that, or maybe in your purse or something like that. But for me, an all black moment is a vibe. It's a vibe. It fits beautifully, ties beautifully, fairly easy to get on. I love it. I feel like you could also do a skirt with this, and I feel like that would be very, like, you want to be a hot girl, do like a short black skirt. Not too short, because I mean it's already backless, but I feel like, yeah, that and some heels. I think I would do that if I knew what skirt to wear, but right now I have this like black, like a crocodile leather skirt, and I just feel like with the satin it's just too much. Just too much, but maybe I'll go digging and see if I have like a plain black skirt to just pair with this. If I do, I'll take a picture and post it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you definitely should be, because sometimes my looks hit the gram before I end up making a video. So this is a good casual vibe. This dress is super short, okay? This dress makes me a teeny bit self-conscious every time I leave the house in it. It does have a lining underneath, like a skirt lining, so it feels like you're in shorts and it doesn't blow up, but I would save this for a more casual date, just because of the length. It's giving very tennis vibes, so I would say be mindful of the shoes that you would wear with this. I always wear short heels with this, like very short heels, kitten heels or something, if they're just like a sandal, because high heels would make your legs look really long. And I mean, that's not a bad thing, but I just feel like it would make the dress shorter, you know, and it's already just breathtakingly short. So this is nice. I wore this to the beach. I wore this because I wasn't going in the water. I wore this to the beach. I wore this to like a brunch. I think it's perfect for that kind of vibe. I got it from Zara, and I love the top of it. It really pulls you in. The straps are beautiful. Again, if you couldn't tell, I love really dainty straps. I love this little accordion piece in the back. I don't know what that's called, but it just allows it to, like, you know, suck you in without it being uncomfortable. So yeah, this is a really good dress if you're looking to head out in the sun, have some fun. Love it. Yes. Are you kidding me? Yes, look at that. This dress, again, is from Dynamite. When I saw it, I was like, oh, that's that green Lori Harvey dress. You know the one that I'm talking about? I'll put in the picture. But when she posted that dress, I feel like it just blew up everywhere. So because it's so trendy, I got it in black so that it could, you know, survive the test of time. But oh my God. The only thing about this dress though is that the buttons, I don't know if it's specifically this brand or all of them, but the buttons just open whenever they want to. So I'm always, you know, checking, looking down, making sure that they're doing okay. I suppose I could button up this one, but I find that that's just so, you know, it's just not as, doesn't give me the look I'm going for. I think this button is the perfect button for me to leave it on, and it's pretty short, but it doesn't ride up. Strappy heels or stiletto heels, definitely with this dress. If you're a sneaker kind of girl, I'm sure, but the heels just add something different. It gives you a silhouette. Again, we've got lovely ruching, and the ruching just, you know, helps with bloating, helps to like draw the eyes inward and give you that beautiful hourglass. I love it. I can't rave enough about the dresses I picked. I love them all. So those are the final looks. I hope you all enjoyed them. Honestly, I've been wearing them out and I've been getting compliments. I feel so good in them. They're great for date night, but they're also good for girls' night out as well. I will not lie. These looks are great for date night, but they're also great for a girls' night out as well. So don't be afraid to mix and match and see what works out for you. I want to thank Ana Luisa New York again for sponsoring the jewelry in this video. I will have their website down below and my personal link as well. You can definitely check out the pieces that I got, but there are beautiful, beautiful pieces for you as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!